All right, last day on our way to Nassau.
Okay, cruisers, welcome to Nassau, but not the same old tourist trap. Today, we're stepping off the beaten path and heading to Cable Beach for some real island vibes. I'll show you how we grabbed a local taxi to the stunning Baha Mar Resort, where luxury meets island breeze, plus what to expect when walking the soft sands of Cable Beach. And yes, we walked all the way back to port. I'll share if it's a yay or never again. Stay tuned for tips, hidden gems, and what not to do on your Nassau stop.
All right, last day on our way to Nassau. Well, we're in Nassau now, so just gonna go and see. Probably gonna walk around a bit. We've done a few tours the past few times we've been here, so just gonna see what we can see that's different.
All right, y'all, welcome to Nassau, Bahamas, one of the most popular cruise stops in the Caribbean. Now, let's talk about what to expect the moment you step off the Carnival Conquest. First, be prepared for a bit of a walk from the ship to the port gates. Now, it's not terribly far, but in that island sun, it feels longer than it is. Good news though, there are free courtesy shuttles that'll take you to and from the cruise ship. And trust me, if you're tired, your feet will thank you later. Now, once inside the port area, you'll find a lively, secure shopping village full of local vendors, souvenir shops, and duty-free stores. Now, think t-shirts, handmade jewelry, wood carvings, cigars, liquor, and all kinds of tropical goodies. There are even some small bars where you can grab a cold drink or a rum punch and people watch for a bit. If you're into collecting stamps in your passport, don't miss the tourism office kiosk. Yep, you can get your passport stamp for free right there in the terminal. It's a cute little memory to take back home.
How you doing? Not yet. Since we've been to Nassau a few times and we've seen a lot of the regular sites, we're going to take a tour to Cable Beach today for $10 per person, just right over there and see what we can see. So something a little different.
Now, if you want to go beyond the port and explore more of Nassau, like heading to the upscale Baha Mar Resort or relaxing Cable Beach, just know it's not really walkable. A local taxi will cost you about $10 per person, and that's typically your best and easiest option. You can grab one just outside the terminal, no need to book in advance. Of course, if you'd rather stay close, popular spots like the Straw Market, the Queen's Staircase, and the Pirates of Nassau Museum are all within a short walking or taxi ride. But today, we're taking the road less traveled. Off to Cable Beach in Baha Mar for some sunshine and soft sand away from the crowd. Now, once you're in that taxi and heading toward Baha Mar, sit back and enjoy the ride. It's about a 15-minute drive, depending on traffic, but totally worth it. As you pull up, you'll see why folks call this the Vegas of the Caribbean. Baha Mar is a luxury resort complex with beautiful architecture, high-end shops, restaurants, and even a massive casino if you're feeling lucky. You don't need to be a guest to walk around the public areas, and honestly, it's giving upscale island vibes all day. We browsed through some of the shops, admired the fountains and pools, and even saw folks snapping pics in front of the colorful art installations. But the real gem, Cable Beach, which runs right behind the resort. The water is crystal clear, the sand is like powdered sugar, and the crowd is way calmer than the cruise port beaches. You can bring your own towel and chill, or rent chairs from a vendor if available. It's public access, but some areas are reserved for resort guests, so be mindful. We stayed a while, soaked up the sun, and then started the scenic walk back toward town. And yep, I'll tell you later if that was a good idea or not. Nice out. So nice out here. Cable Beach, right in front of the Baha Mar Hotel, which is so beautiful. Just came from the flamingos, and yeah, it's beautiful here. Weather is nice, the wind is blowing, it's about 70 degrees. I could stay out here all day long. Now, before heading back, we made one more essential stop, Arawak Cay, aka the fish fry. If you want authentic Bahamian food, this is the spot. Just ask your taxi driver to stop here on the way back from Baha Mar. We grabbed a plate of cracked conch, crispy, tender, and seasoned just right, and washed it down with the Miami Vice, that frozen swirl of strawberry daiquiri and pina colada. You'll find lots of small, colorful shacks and restaurants, and the vibe is loud, local, and lively. A little taste of the culture that hits every time. Now, after stuffing ourselves, we thought we were up for a walk back to the port. Spoiler alert, not our best idea. It took about 30 minutes, and between the sun and traffic noise, it felt longer. If you're tired, just take a taxi. It's worth the $10, trust me. But on the upside, we got to see more of Nassau on foot, past the governor's mansion, and even caught some scenic views near the waterfront. Just wear comfy shoes, bring water, and don't wait until the last minute to head back to the ship. Nassau traffic can get real. And that wraps up our adventure in Nassau. From high-end luxury at Baha Mar to authentic eats at the Fish Fry and lazy waves on Cable Beach, we truly got the best of both worlds. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cruise tips and travel stories. Next up, even more off-the-beaten-path gems to help you make the most of every port stop. See you in the next adventure.
Yeah.